24 hours in Hampton Beach. First up, I'm checking out the green room. This is a great spot to start off your morning at the beach. Acai bowls, egg sandwiches, and some great coffee. Next up, I headed over to Bernie's Beach Bar for some great views and a lobster roll that I was really hankering for. And they have this bowl called the Mermaid Bowl, topped with 2 different Island District vodka can cocktails. Very good. Then I checked into my hotel room at the Surf House, a great room with an outdoor pool and easy access to the beach. Then I headed over to Sabo's for the iconic wrap that everyone knows about. After that, I wanted some creamy lobster bisque. I heard McWorks was doing a great job. This was quite delicious and very creamy. Plus, I grabbed myself another drink. They had these cool little shark gummies on top. After that, I was like, oh crap, I have to go to Blink's Fried Dough because this place is iconic at Hampton Beach, and why not? I wanted dessert. Then I heard a lot of people talk about Momoyo Ramen. It's a great ramen spot in Hampton Beach from this awesome chef, and boy, was this ramen great. Could be the best dish in Hampton. After that, I wanted more dessert, so I headed over to Seaside Scoops and Subs just for a scoop of ice cream, something to, get the sweet tooth. Then, for some nightlife, back to Bernie's Beach Bar, live music, all sides of fun. This is a spot for the summer. Then I woke up and I wanted some breakfast. I made my way over to the Goat. I ordered their massive Goat Cane, Goat version of a Long Island iced coffee. Then I finished off with French toast.
The sand was dropped off yesterday. So now everybody's getting to work for the 22nd annual Hampton Beach Master Sand Sculpting Classic. These are some photos from the 2020 Sand Sculpting Classic, and they are so amazing. We got to meet some of the artists. We watched them work all week. So how this works is for the next few days, the artists will be creating the sculptures. They will be illuminated all through the night, and then voting starts next weekend.
Hampton Beach. You've probably been there once in your life. It's a fun little coastal town with awesome views and a great restaurant scene to eat at. So today I checked out the Sea Catch. They're open till mid-October, so if you haven't had a chance to go there yet, I recommend you pop by, enjoy the vibes, the ocean, and the food. The menu is filled up with your traditional summer favorites: fish and chips, lobster, clam chowder, all those great things, and all of this goes perfectly well with a Pepsi. I recommend you check them out. You're gonna like them a lot.
Hey latte lovers, latte ladies have brought it up to Hampton Beach, New Hampshire. But seriously, Flamingo's Coffee Bar is about to be your go-to coffee spot no matter what time of year. We would much rather be on a flight somewhere warm, but we compromised and got a winter latte flight, which includes mint chocolate chip, salted caramel creme brulee, raspberry mocha, and an almond joy oat milk latte. Our favorite was the mint chocolate chip, but all of them were delicious. This place has an adorable interior, and we're gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. Latte ladies catch flights, not feelings.
Listen to me. Go slow, have fun with it, right? And you can go for 3 hours. If you pedal like a maniac, you'll be back in 30 minutes. Excuse me. Thank you, man. We had a horn, but the horn doesn't sound like... Yeah! Hell yeah! Too much. It is a lot of... I've been watching them on TikTok.
Oh my god! Allot!
Oh shit!
Rating the food we ate at Hampton Beach. Buffalo chicken pizza. 5 to a 10, nothing to it. Garlic butter fried dough. 8.7 10. This was amazing. Roast beef sandwich and fries. 5 points for the 10 sandwich. 6.8 and 10 fries. Campfire s'mores ice cream 8.3 is 10 yum.
Lobster dog. Guys, this lobster dog was incredible. If you haven't been to Pat's yet, you're missing out. The perfect summer destination. Check them out today.
So I went to this Mexican joint called Los Cantaros in Northampton, New Hampshire, where I got these quesadilla tacos, and I tried them, and you're gonna see the first reaction here. Today, we're trying a quesadilla taco. It's essentially meat, cheese, and a tortilla. It's kind of like a little quesadilla. And what you do is, you dunk it in the sauce like this, watch. And then you go.
Everything.